Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the basics of quantum physics. Have you ever wondered what is quantum physics? How do scientists study particles that are too small to be seen? What are some real-world applications of quantum physics? Let's embark on a journey to discover the magic of the tiny world. Quantum physics is a branch of science that studies the smallest particles in the universe, such as atoms and subatomic particles like electrons and photons. Atoms, the basic building blocks of matter consisting of a nucleus, which is made up of protons and neutrons, and electrons that orbit around the nucleus. Electrons are negatively charged particles that move around the nucleus of an atom. Protons and neutrons are particles found in the nucleus. Protons have a positive charge and neutrons have no charge. Wave-particle duality. Particles like electrons and photons can behave both as particles and waves. They can spread out like waves and also be counted like particles. Here are some key concepts. Quantization of energy. Energy is not continuous but comes in small, discrete units called quanta. For example, light is made up of particles called photons, each carrying a specific amount of energy. Superposition. Particles can exist in multiple states at once until they are measured. For example, an electron can be in two places at the same time. Uncertainty principle. It is important to know both the exact position and the exact momentum of a particle at the same time. Scientists have cool ways to study particles that are too small to be seen with our eyes. Electron microscopes. These microscopes use electrons to create super detailed images of small things instead of light. Particle accelerators. These huge machines speed up tiny particles and crash into each other. Scientists study the pieces that come out of these crashes to learn about the smallest building blocks of everything. Spectroscopy. This method uses light to study particles. By shining light on a particle and seeing how it reacts, scientists can learn what it's made of. Here are some interesting facts about quantum physics. When two particles become entangled, the state of one instantly affects the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. Einstein called this the spooky action at a distance. Unlike classical computers that use bits 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, allowing them to solve certain problems much faster. Quantum mechanics explains the emission of photons, which is a fundamental principle behind lasers. Lasers are used in various applications from medical surgeries to barcode scanners. Let's quickly recap what we learned about the basics of quantum physics. What are the three main subatomic particles in an atom? Protons, neutrons, and electrons. What is the smallest unit of energy called? A quantum. What is it called when particles can exist in multiple states at once? Superposition. And lastly, how does light behave according to quantum physics? As a wave and a particle. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.